So I figured I'd do a little update. So first off, got a new Cell Outlaw tank. It's slightly pre-crashed, so working on getting it all back into shape and stuff. Got the bladder and the plates and all for it at the house, but got all the body work finished. All the big holes blown out in the fiberglass are all repaired and it's all painted. Chassis is pretty much done. Starting to lay out fuel lines and like power steering lines and stuff. That's I can't really get this line from the reservoir. This is a return line from the steering gear to the reservoir. New full containment seat. It's all mounted. Stoity, but all vibrant fittings and line and some braided line for all the oil system. Sure do look good though. Looks a lot better than it did whenever we drug it out. It's getting there. I got two little panels that close in right here that I got because we added these gusset bars in. I gotta notch them. I forgot about notching them. But that's those two, one on either side. There's the old tank. But I gotta go back there to the engine and put these plugs in the oil pan. My little cousin's out there running the YFC around. So I figured since I got the engine and the car both uncovered today, I'd give you a little update. But the engine is pretty much ready to rock. I've got to drop the lifters in, put the push rods in, put the rockers on. But it's pretty much ready to go. Got the injections all rebuilt. All new O-rings under the nozzles, rebuild kit in the barrel valve. Everything's cleaned, lubricated. I knocked some dust off on it the other day, so don't sue me. It's all cleaned out and stuff, and I'm gonna replace this fitting and this fitting, these two water fittings right here. Replace those just because the sealing surface on them got a little bit of rust pitting. But it's ready to go. This thing's ready to go, short of these two fittings right here. And I need to put this on. I took and put just the oil filter mount for my block off, but I'm gonna put this on and then the oil filter mount on the outside of it, I think, which might get rid of those spacers that my Gramps had in there. I just need to get some longer bolts. I got the headers at the house, cleaning them up. These plugs are meant for down here on these oil pans. You had this access port. You had to get to the bolt here, here, and here. So yeah, that's a sprint car update. I got, like I said, all the braided lines to replace all of this stuff. One of these is the old one's power steering, and all of that is oil and scavenge. Power steering pump's rebuilt, ready to rock. The fuel pump's ready to rock. The oil pump has been rebuilt and ready to rock. Water pump's rebuilt and ready to rock. All new everything as far as bearings, rings. Springs are shimmed to where they need to be. But yeah, so that should be it. Later, y'all.